Okay, this is a test of the GoPro Hero on January 27th, 2015. Recording from Mid-Coast, Maine, in the middle of a blizzard. As you can see, the snow is light, thank goodness. If this was heavy, it would be a much bigger problem. Although when it's light like this, if you plow, it just blows right back in. The storm started here sometime early this morning, and it's not expected to peak until sometime this evening. Right now it's, I don't know, sometime after 7 o'clock, 7:30 maybe. So I'm brushing this off. Of course the dogs, they're foolish. They like to go out in this stuff. Visibility is pretty low. Take a quick walk. Probably won't get a chance to snow blow until later. It's not worth it. In the distance there, you might barely be able to see my barn for my horses. But going out for chores this morning, I shoveled a path going down the barn, which was gone by the time I came back up. I shoveled coming up, which is gone now. So really no sense trying to take a snowblower out probably until most of this is over and the wind's gone away. Birds seem to be fairly happy. Weather's been really tough on the trees this year, this winter. You can see some maples, branches down, and you have a stand of birches there that really got beat up with the ice storm we had basically back in November. So, yeah, the wind has been somewhere around 15 to 35 miles an hour. Like I said, we haven't got the worst of it yet. You can't see it. My driveway goes, I don't know, 1,200 feet that way. So it's going to be an interesting storm. Be happy when it's over. Of course, the trouble is, we're going to get another one on Friday. So that's always a lot of fun. Wind isn't right as bad back here. Obviously, you can see we got the tall pines and so forth, a little bit of protection. That's why we're going to put the beehives that we have just to the right of that apple tree, a little more protected from the winter weather. So, in a nutshell, this is a test of the Hero. Hopefully it produces okay. We shall see. Talk to you later.